My wedding impulse buy from Lululemon has just arrived, and it is the Scuba hoodie, but not just any Scuba hoodie. It is the fuzzy version of the Scuba hoodie. Okay, so I am in love with this fleece fuzzy version of the Lululemon Scuba hoodie. It is just so cozy. It has this oversized kind of boxy fit to it. It's slightly cropped, but it's not too short either, which is great. It has this large kangaroo pocket on it, and it is so thick and cozy. It's a lot warmer than the original Scuba, which is great for the winter coming up, and I can't get enough of this.